Have you ever found yourself on the edge of a vacation, heart pounding with excitement, only to be hit with the sudden realization that you haven't activated your travel insurance? It's a feeling that can turn any dream getaway into a nightmare. But fear not, because today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of activating your Commbank travel insurance, ensuring that your next adventure is filled with peace of mind. Commbank travel insurance is a valuable tool that can provide financial protection against unexpected events while you're away from home. Whether it's lost luggage, medical emergencies, or trip cancellations, having insurance can offer a safety net that can make all the difference in a stressful situation. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Commbank online banking. The first step is to access your Commbank online banking account. You can do this by visiting the Commbank website and entering your login credentials. Find the travel insurance section. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section that deals with travel insurance. This might be labeled as insurance, travel, or something similar. Look for a subsection or option that specifically mentions travel insurance. Locate your policy. Your travel insurance policy should be listed under your account. Look for a section that displays your policy number, purchase date, and coverage details. Activate your policy. Click on the Activate or Start Coverage button associated with your policy. This will initiate the activation process. Provide required information. You may be prompted to provide some additional information, such as your departure date and destination. This information is necessary to ensure that your coverage is effective for your specific trip. Confirm activation. After providing the required details, review your information and confirm that everything is correct. Once you confirm, your travel insurance policy will be activated. Check your coverage. After activating your policy, take some time to review the terms and conditions to ensure that you understand the specific coverage you have. Pay attention to any exclusions or limitations that may apply. Keep your policy information handy. It's a good idea to print a copy of your travel insurance policy or save it to your phone. This way, you'll have easy access to the important details if you need them while you're traveling. Contact Commbank if you have questions. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulties during the activation process, don't hesitate to contact Commbank customer service. They can provide assistance and clarify any uncertainties. Activating your Commbank travel insurance is a simple process that can provide you with valuable peace of mind during your travels. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that you're adequately protected against unexpected events and enjoy your vacation without worry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.